So here's this battery charger. It's HTRC C240 Duo. And let's measure the internal resistance of a few batteries. They all have XT60 connectors and the balance plug. Power it on. It's set to lithium battery. Okay, and extra function. Go there with this play button. The first one is battery status and the second one is battery internal resistance. Enter there. Okay, so I need to connect the battery. Let's start with this one. It's a Rhino 2200 milliamp hour and it's a 6-cell battery, 22.2 volts. Connect the balance plug and connect the XT60 and press play. Measuring, please wait. And here we have the cells. Cell 1 9 milliohms, cell 2 19 milliohms, cell 3 9, cell 4 13, 5th 11 and 6th cell 12 milliohms. Disconnect this one. Let's try a smaller one. It's also 6 cells and it's 1.3 amp hours. XT60 and balance plug and play. 18, 15, 17, 18, 16, 15 milliamps. Internal resistance. Let's try the next one. It's the same as the one before. It's also 6 cells. 70, 70, 20, 20, 20, 80 milliamp. Now here we have a 4-cell battery, 1.8 amp hour, 14.8 volts. So it's a smaller one. This has to be plugged in higher because it has less cells. Now this one is not showing anything for the last two. 19, 17, 18, 20 and nothing. Here's another 4-cell battery. 14, 13, 14, 14 and nothing. Let's see if I stop it and play it again. Now it's slightly different. 13, 13, 15, 12, 15, 13. So it's not that accurate. 11, 14, 15. Here's a 1.6 amp hour graphene. Also a 4-cell battery. 21, 22, 20, 21. So this is a bit higher, not too much. 24, 24, 24. Now here's a 3-cell battery. This one is pretty old and is damaged, I think. One cell has to be damaged as I remember. This is an even smaller battery, only 3 cells. And yes, this first cell is kinda useless, plus the second and the third one has a much higher resistance, 200 instead of around 20 and 116, so it's around 10 times higher, plus one cell is totally useless. Here we have another damaged 4-cell battery. Stop, start, battery check, lower cell volt. Once again. Battery check, lower cell volt. So the voltage is maybe way too low and it cannot read it. So that's pretty damaged. Otherwise it was a good battery. And here's another damaged one. It's puffed up. It's round. It's a 4-cell battery. Tattoo R-line. This one is still usable but not for flying. Just to power some devices. Ooh. 1700, 900, 200 and 100. So the first 2 cells are heavily damaged, the other 2 are kinda usable, but the deadest is this one.